So many people out there are willing and ready to learn from you. So why don't you want to start a YouTube channel? Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is your girl DT for you, and I'm glad that you're here with me today because I'm gonna be sharing with you 5 tips why you should start a YouTube channel. But just before we get right into it, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you should go hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. In 2017, YouTube CEO shared on a blog post that users spend over an hour on their mobile phone watching videos. The service now has 1.5 million users. That was in 2017. So imagine the growth that YouTube has had in the last couple of years. I know you should start a YouTube channel. The first tip I'm going to be sharing with you today is become a content creator. You can be a creator by just documenting random fun videos and post it. You can be a content creator by building a video library for your kids and family on YouTube. You can also just put them on private but upload it so you can show your kids in the future. Sharing your ideas with your community and your family via YouTube. That's tip number 1, you becoming a creator. Tip number 2 is expressing your creativity. So what comes to your mind when you hear the word expressing your creativity? This can be as a means of painting, cooking, sewing, designing, just name it. There are lots of ways you can express your creativity. In order for you to express your creativity, it's also a way of you to be free. You have the freedom to be free to do whatever you want, create whatever you want without nobody instructing you to do so. Expressing your creativity is also a way of freedom for you. Over time, you start building multiple bases of income. Tip number 3, personal growth. What's your personal growth? How do you develop your personal skills? YouTube helps you to grow on a personal level. You grow and you develop new skills, and this is by editing, sitting in front of a camera. If you really want to level up, you should start a YouTube channel. You start to learn new things like reading, doing research, just because you want to get better at what you do, just because you want to get better at all the content that you're creating, just because you want to get better at expressing your creativity. So personal growth is my favorite part because I have learned so much in the past couple of years. I had YouTube for a while now, and in 2020 I actually came back on board on YouTube because I felt like I was missing out in so much. I felt like my subscribers were missing out so much, and I decided, okay, it's time for me to start to create new content, start to develop all the things that I've learned in this time that I wasn't on YouTube, actually put it in use. Personal growth is necessary, not just for YouTube alone, for your life in general, for you to be able to grow in every stage and area of your life. Number 4, confidence is number 4. I actually boost my confidence by sitting in front of the camera. I actually boost my confidence by speaking with you guys that are watching me right now. That's how I boost my confidence. In some certain level in my life, I didn't have this confidence that I have right now. Just talking to you guys, just sharing my ideas, just sharing my feelings, just sharing my thoughts, just sharing my whole life on YouTube. And that actually needs a lot of confidence to share your whole life on YouTube. Not everybody can do that. But when you're able to sit in front of a camera, you have already started boosting your confidence. But more confidence boosting do you need, guys? You develop your confidence more when you speak more. That's how I boost my confidence. If you watch my previous videos, you see how I have grown, how I have changed in what I say, in how I present myself. It's because I am creating YouTube videos. That's why. When you keep creating more videos, your self-confidence improves, levels up. That's what YouTube videos does to you. You gain more knowledge. You are able to solve problems related to editing, lighting, even ideas on how to grow your Facebook account and Instagram account. When you start creating YouTube videos, you get more ideas, you get more reason why you should study, and this helps your self-confidence. And lastly, the 5th tip is Personal passion. What's your personal passion? Your personal passions could be your hobbies. Someone could be out there who also wants to learn from it, who also wants to know what your passion is. How do you want to show people your hobbies? Personal passion is also a way to transfer your passion to other people to learn. So what do you want people to know you for? In creating a YouTube video, you are able to share your personal passion with other people. You should be able to share what you have for people to learn from. What do you want people to know you for? What is your personal passion? What do you want to share? What do you want the world to learn from? That's the reason why you should start a YouTube channel and share your ideas. Leave a comment in the comment section below and share your personal passion. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you're able to learn and jot down some things from this video. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you guys. Bye.